Hey, welcome back on this Wednesday morning. So it's a quiet start to the day, but we will have some minor accumulating snow between tonight, extending through tomorrow morning. That's going to cause some hazardous travel conditions tomorrow morning. As far as amounts, it's not super impressive, but we will get a light covering across some areas across the central and the higher elevation spots of the UP. About half an inch, about an inch, likely, easily across our central areas of the UP. However, the higher elevations of western Market County and Berga counties, that's where we could push 2+ inches of snow. So it's not a lot, but again, minor accumulations. Do not be surprised by this, okay? Because a lot of people were surprised by the rain from the other day that we've been talking about for a while now. As far as what we're seeing this morning, we have some clear skies out there. As far as precipitation, not much happening there. Here's the system. It is a slow-moving system, as we've been talking about, and now we're in the middle of a lull. However, that lull ends this afternoon. We get some wraparound moisture with the system. We also get some colder air that filters in. So we're going to see rain increase. We're going to see a transition to snow this afternoon through tomorrow. Let's time it out here for you. As the day progresses, here it is, midday. Rain developing across the eastern half of the UP and coverage increasing in those counties by late afternoon. Now this is 5:30. Temperatures decreasing towards the upper 30s. And a transition to some of that wet snow and rain and mix developing in the central northern areas of the UP. That snow will continue to expand this evening and tonight as those temperatures decrease even more so to the mid to near lower 30s, depending on where you're at. So wet snow across a good chunk of our central areas tonight through early tomorrow morning. By 5:30 in the morning, most of that snow will have shifted south into north and eastern Wisconsin, with more rain and coverage of rain expanding in the wake of it across the UP. There will be pockets of moderate to heavy rain with this. So tomorrow morning, just plan on wet slush. It's just not going to be great outside. It's going to be gross. As far as the continuing of that rain, we get a little more snow that forms in the interior western areas tomorrow morning. Otherwise, generally rain, and then gradually tapering off tomorrow afternoon and evening. So tomorrow morning is a big impact because, you know, we haven't had any big systems or anything like that. Not much for accumulation so far this fall. So it always takes a couple of turns for us to kind of get our, well, snow legs underneath us, right? So that means just take extra caution. It's usually those first couple of winter events that catch us off guard and could create problems for us on roadways. So tomorrow morning, slushy, slippery. By the afternoon, wet. Visibility in the morning could be reduced again because we do have some snow that's going to be out there, and we also have some stronger winds that will be developing. So windy conditions for tomorrow morning. Now that starts during the overnight hours out of the north. Gusts of 30 to near 40, potentially 45 miles per hour. But it's mainly for tomorrow morning because by the afternoon those winds will be weakening. Once the system moves out of the region tomorrow, we're looking at just some lingering lake effect rain on Friday across our northern areas and some spotty mix.